Is it?
Yeah.
Always. So we're gonna go out with you today. What are we after?
It's a razor somebody yard sold out there in what we call three corners.
Okay.
Because there's 3 states that come together there: Utah, Nevada, Arizona.
So is it in pieces or?
Yeah, there's pieces.
So Matt was kind enough to call us and teach us what it's going to be like on the recovery life.
Oh, no. I'm like, I need you guys to go get this, and I'm just observing.
So for some reason, parts of this video we lost the sound bites to. But I'm pretty sure I know what Matt and Matt were saying, so I'm going to do my best to do the voiceovers for that. I guess it's like a 2 positives make a negative or something, I don't know. But check this out.
So why are you staring at me? Well, I really love your beard. Well, that's nice. If you would drink more Mountain Dew and less Dr. Pepper, you could have a voluptuous beard like mine too. Yeah, I don't know if I could do that. Hey guys, so we're out here on the road, me and Matt, and we lost sound because we don't know how to run a camera. Yeah, I know. That's really tough. If you guys hang on, we're gonna go catch this cool razor. Yeah, it'll probably be a razor. Let's hope it's a razor, and I didn't mess up my phone call because we brought the little trailer. Have I ever shown you my impression of the old Chinese fighting movies, like the old Kung Fu movies? No, man, that sounds cool. For this, you will surely die by my hand. Whoa, whoa! I don't get it. Wah, wah.
Turbo 400. I'm driving the Morrvair. I just need a Dr. Pepper in my hand now and I'll be set. We always make the joke about everybody gives me crap for driving with one hand because I've always got a Dr. Pepper in my hand. It's like, you shouldn't be doing that, it's dangerous. So is talking on your cell phone, and I know you do it. Does my driving scare you?
Not one little bit.
Are you sure?
I've seen you drive. Your driving doesn't scare me.
It should.
You know the cell phone debate? If I was talking to somebody on a CB, nobody would bat an eye. But if I'm talking to them on my cell phone like a CB, they want to send out the Navy to take me down.
It's Matt's Off-Road Recovery and BleepinJeep. I love your guys' stuff. But where's that super rad, awesome bald guy, Colt? Bleepin Colt, I like that guy. He's my favorite. Oh, yeah, he's in back. Go check him out. Oh, awesome. All right, well, I'll go get his autograph. You guys go ahead and do what you gotta do.
Yeah, that probably won't load very well like that.
Yeah, I wanted to put it on the road and drag it.
I'm not good at this.
I really like to put the trailer crooked and then try to straighten the razor out with no steering, and then let people tell me in the comments how much work I made it.
Hey, puppy. What's your name? Ooh, yeah, I love puppy dogs. Hey, Matt, where are you going? We ran out of Dr. Pepper. I can't live without Dr. Pepper. So you're taking off? You're going to leave it up to me and Matt to figure it out? Yeah, man. I got to get that DP. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. I'm going back to Tennessee where we don't run out of Dr. Pepper. Well, Colt, I guess it's up to you and me. Well, I guess you're going to have to fix that trailer. I'm going to fix that trailer. I'm going to straighten that out. Matt does not know how to drive, but don't worry, I can do it. Because my name's Matt, and I know how to drive and park. Matt's gonna go ahead and fix Matt's parking job. Oh, there's that latch. What's the magic trick here?
Well, if you like untangling Christmas lights, have I got the job for you? I've never fixed this winch controller, so what this is going to take is maybe putting this in here so that back end drags over that. And then let's see what happens. Many of you have noticed and commented that this trailer is not amazing for these types of recoveries, and I agree with you. When I built this trailer, we were getting like 3 or 4 of these a year, and they were usually out of gas, broken belt, or some, some other breakdown where they'd roll on. When the rental companies and they started getting more popular, so this trailer is no longer ideal. I was the first to notice. I knew before you. We're gonna make something better. Okay, we gotta slide the back
Push
end of
this
this
over.
Yeah. Here you go again. One more. One more. There we go. All right. Woo! We've done way worse than that before. Way worse than that. You watched that one we did today with George's Jeep?
Oh yeah, good old George. And it's the perfect name, and it says Curious George on that Jeep.
Yeah. Or like Rory, something good will come in, and then something good came in, and Trailmater was busted. Since I'm not working today, I'm gonna have Colt turn this around and drive us out of here. This is nice not to have to work.
I think you're working harder than not working. I'm driving the Morrvair. So I'm taking zero responsibility.
You signed a waiver.
Did I sign the waiver?
I signed the waiver.
Oh, you said. I was hoping you signed the waiver.
Somebody signed the waiver. I just hope it's in my favor. A waiver in my favor would be really nice.
Got the hat on backwards. It's serious now.
Things just got serious. The camera's not going to show it. Underneath that hood is a steep, twisty, narrow, bumpy road.
Looks to the floor.
Awesome, you too.
Yeah, you guys have fun. Drive safe. That was a lot of fun. I hope I didn't leave any parts back there. I tried to drive nice. Did a good job. better get the professional on here now.
Yeah, well, we're gonna hit the highway, and like I said, if we get arrested for doing 110, I don't want to have to explain to my insurance why Colt was driving. So we have some good news for you. Matt made his flight, but he left the Jeep at the airport, so next stop for us is St. George Regional Airport.
Now we gotta figure out how to get in there. Are we gonna have to break into the Jeep?
You have a key? Where's the key?
Locked in the Jeep.
Alright, well, we'll break the window. We're here.
Going on a bit of a trip, and I was super organized. Took the front apart, double checked things, and then you'll see there's like a giant hole. There's like no weld left on my shock tower bracket. Little important. Little. I'm thinking that's
This
why
place
it
will
keeps
probably get you
cranking.
fixed up though.
I know. This was the only place in town that said yes to this.
Well, and when you look out here, they're probably the only place that even open up right now.
Yeah. Yeah, it's true. Hashtag true debt.